Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can surrender your Indian passport. In other terms, how you can surrender your Indian citizenship once you get a citizenship of any other country. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that you want to ask, please go ahead and ask, as I'm always open to your comments. And also let me know what would you like to see in my future videos. Okay, so when it comes to surrendering Indian passport, there are two things. Like when you surrender Indian passport, after that you can apply for OCI, Overseas Citizenship of India, where you are treated equivalent to an NRI. You can apply for passport surrender and OCI together, but you can apply one after one also. So depending upon your circumstances, you can take a call. So in this video, I'm going to cover how to surrender. So in Canada, this surrendering of passport, or I should say renunciation of Indian citizenship, is outsourced to BLS. So I'm going to walk you through the process and forms. In other countries and missions also, the process is going to be similar. So you need to understand what the process is, and then based on your mission, you can plan. So I will take you to the processing time first, how much it takes. So it depends upon jurisdiction. So in Toronto, its processing time is 2 to 3 weeks. So what happens after that, like you get your Indian passport back, the last held by you, with a certificate that says that you have voluntarily, I mean, done the renunciation of your Indian citizenship by surrendering the passport, along with a stamp in your Indian passport that says yes, your citizenship is over. So that's how it is. Now let's go to the forms and checklist. So let's go to the checklist first. I'll walk you through this. So this checklist you need to submit along with the application. You need to fill the forms, and then you need to sign, and you need to also sign on this checklist. So this is the link to the application form. We will open it later. You can see that they are specifically specified about signature. Now documents. So what they say, provide photocopies unless otherwise stated. Okay. So last held Indian passport, of course, as I said that your passport will be returned with a stamp on it, so that needs to be submitted. So you need to submit the original along with a photocopy of the first last page and any observation page that is in there. Foreign Canadian passport. So you just need a photocopy page, photo page and observation page. If you have not applied for a passport, you need to write a declaration with the explanation of the same. So it's always good to go for surrender once you have your foreign passport, so that you can go for any traveling if required. Citizenship oath certificate. So this is again gonna be a country specific. In Canada, we do get oath certificate after uh, appearing for citizenship oath. So it depends upon your country, but similar documents may be asked wherever you live. Next is your landing paper, a copy of the landing paper reflecting the category. Then you need to sign here. If you are applying through postal, generally people don't apply through postal, but if you apply, you gotta enclose the demand draft with that. Otherwise, for walk-in applicants, you can use uh, your debit card here. Okay, now let's go to the form. So we know the documents required. Now let's go to the form. I have acquired Canadian, again it's a country specific form. Date. Here you need to put your Indian passport number. Remember, Indian passport number. Date of issue and issue date from which office. You can get all these details in your passport. Here this should be your first name, your last name, date of birth, place of birth, and make sure these details are as per your Indian passport. So when you write it down, just match it, and you need to submit two filled copies. So uh, make sure you do that. Father's name, mother's name, complete address in India, Indian passport number, date of expiry, date of issue, place of issue. Again, you enter that information here also. So again put it as per that. Now here comes your Canadian foreign passport details. Reason to acquire the foreign nationality, I wrote it migration. It's up to you whatever is. Nationality acquired, like I acquired Canadian, so I put Canadian. You can put anything, whatever you get. Passport number, Canadian passport number. Date of issue, place of issue, address, phone number, email. You need to put the declaration. When I went, I filled this also. Again, you can fill the information here. Fee is given here, but this is very based. This is gonna vary based on the country, if the mission you apply, and again the courier and other postal fees are also be different based on the country you apply. So you need to keep these things in mind. I mean, whatever is asked in your country, you need to, and then I mean it depends upon the mission. Like in some countries you may need to get an appointment, in some countries you can go for walk-in. So always make sure you follow those steps and then go and then let's apply. Then based on the processing time you are gonna get it. So that's how it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that you want to ask, please go ahead and ask. Thank you for now.